Ayan, so for today's vlog, nakikita nyo naman sa title. Ayan, so gagawa tayo ng soya milk. Ayan, soy milk. Dahil bawal lumabas ng bahay para bumili ng soy milk. Ayan, so mag-homemade soya milk tayo. Ayan, so meron lang namang apat. Ayan, apat na ingredients. First is the soy beans. Ayan, so yung soy beans, ibababad natin siya ng para sa akin 5 to 6 hours. Ayan, so kanya-kanya na lang kasi merong iba na 4 to 5 hours yan. Second is brown sugar. Ayan, nababasa ba? Ayan, brown sugar. Then konting salt. Tsaka hindi maaalis ang ang vanilla. Ayan, vanilla. So ibababad na natin ang soya milk. Soya milk. Kantahin ang happy birthday song ng 2 beses para sigurado ang kamay ay malinis. After 6 hours, i-drain na ang tubig at i-blender na ang soybeans. Kada set, 1/2 cup lang ng soybeans at 4 cups of mineral water. After 20 to 25 seconds, ilagay na ang na-blender sa malinis na lalagyan. Ulit-ulitin lang hanggang mablender lahat ng soybeans. Next step, i-open na ang stove at i-transfer na ang na-blend sa isang malaking lalagyan. Then, isalang na hanggang kumulo. Kapag kumulo na, halu-haluin lang konti at i-off na ang stove. Ayan. Tapos ilipat na sa table para palamigin at halu-haluin sandali. Okay, my sister will help me. She will do banlaw first. Banlaw the pang... What's that, Ivy?
Strainer.
Unfortunately, we don't have Katsa according to my mother. Yeah, and so the alternative we will use her cloth. Like this is the cloth of my mother. We already boiled this to the hot water so that this cloth is very clean already. This is my sister. Sige, lukad, dali. Ayan. Yan, so she will help me to do because it's very hot and it's very hard. Yan. First, you need to have a big bowl together with the katsa or the cloth of your mother if you have mother. Ayan, so this now. Ayan. The use of this cloth is to get the pulp. Ayan, ang ingay nyo naman. Ayan, the use of this is to get the pulp so that the soya milk is smooth and there's no pulp. Ayan, after that, after the bowl is full, we will do like this. Ayan. So like this. Then after that, we will transfer in the other bowl. Ayan. Uy, ang ingay nyo. Ayan, pag nasala na natin, ayan, Tagalog na. Para pag nasala na natin, gawin natin ulit yung ginawa natin kanina. Okay, my sister will get some another bowl because because soya milk is very many. Then wala na po. Ayan, so tapos na ang ating soya milk. One step to go kasi titimpla pa natin, lalagyan natin ng konting salt at saka sugar, brown sugar, mas masarap pag brown sugar, then vanilla. Ayan, so this is the finished product ng soya milk. Homemade soya milk. Sana meron kayong natutunan. Now, as what I've said, we don't have katsa according to my mother. Katsa is the right equipment ba? I mean, equipment or material utensil. You see,